Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn question word why. Mengapa? And I'm going to give you 50 samples of questions beginning with why. Why do you want to buy that house? Kenapa kamu ingin beli rumah itu? Why do you miss me? Kenapa kamu merindukan saya? Why don't you love him anymore? Kenapa kamu tidak mencintai dia lagi? Why do you let him go? Kenapa kamu membiarkan dia pergi? Why don't you bring a dictionary? Kenapa kamu tidak bawa kamus? Why do they go to Bali every month? Kenapa mereka pergi ke Bali setiap bulan? Why don't you swim in that swimming pool? Kenapa kamu tidak berenang di kolam renang itu? Why do you pay my school fee for this month? Kenapa kamu membayar uang sekolah saya untuk bulan ini? Why don't you teach us anymore? Kenapa Anda tidak mengajar kita lagi? Why don't you know about that news? Kenapa kamu tidak tahu berita itu? Why does he put his glass on my laptop? Kenapa dia taruh gelasnya di atas laptop saya? Why does he bring a big bag? Kenapa dia membawa tas besar? Why are they eating in my room? Kenapa dia makan di kamar saya? Why are you thinking of me? Kenapa kamu mikirin saya? Why are they talking about our president? Mengapa mereka membicarakan tentang presiden kita? Why is she drinking my tea? Kenapa dia minum teh saya? Why did your manager build a house here? Kenapa manajer kamu membangun rumah di sini? Why did you say our secret in front of public? Kenapa kamu bilang rahasia kita di depan umum? Why did she make new regulation? Kenapa dia membuat peraturan baru? Why did you speak French yesterday? Kenapa kamu berbicara bahasa Prancis kemarin? Why did they send it late? Kenapa mereka mengirimnya terlambat? Why will he sing that love song? Kenapa dia akan menyanyikan lagu cinta itu? Why will we meet him in his office? Kenapa kita akan menemuinya di kantornya? Why will your grandma sell her old big white house? Kenapa nenekmu akan menjual rumah putih tuanya yang besar? Why will we choose number 4? Kenapa kita akan memilih nomor 4? Why will he buy a silver wedding ring, not gold? Kenapa dia akan membeli cincin kawin perak, bukan emas? Why will your friend celebrate her birthday in the garden? Kenapa temanmu akan merayakan hari ulang tahunnya di kebun? Why will he go to Paris? Kenapa dia akan pergi ke Paris? Why will you sign this letter? Kenapa kamu akan tanda tangani surat ini? Why do we go this way? Mengapa kita lewat sini? Why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintai saya? Why does the cat keep snoring? Mengapa kucing itu terus mendengkur? Why does the sun go on shining? Mengapa matahari terus bersinar? Why is Amanda late? Mengapa Amanda terlambat? Why is he angry? Mengapa dia marah? Why did you break the glass? Mengapa kamu memecahkan gelas? Why did she give me this nice bag? Mengapa dia memberi saya tas yang bagus ini? Why did she change her hairstyle? Kenapa dia mengubah gaya rambutnya? Why did they invite you? Kenapa mereka mengundang kamu? Why did you do that? Kenapa kamu melakukan itu? Why are you telling me about this? Kenapa kamu memberitahu aku tentang hal ini? Why are you crying? Kenapa kamu menangis? Why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintaiku? Why does the sun go on shining? Mengapa matahari terus bersinar? Why don't you love him? Mengapa kamu tidak mencintai dia? Why did they come late? Mengapa mereka datang terlambat? Why didn't you come to my house last night? Mengapa kamu tidak datang ke rumahku tadi malam? Why is he angry? Mengapa dia marah? Why are you angry? Mengapa kamu marah? Thank you for watching. See you. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Sampai jumpa.